On February 26, 2015, the Conservation Agriculture Systems Innovation Center, in conjunction with Lucero Farms, held a field day that was hosted by Danny Ramos and Jonathan Guido in one of their cover crop fields just east of Los Banos, California. The goal of the field day was to try to showcase a variety of cover crop mixtures that Danny and Jonathan have been working with over the last years. And this particular year, what they decided to do was actually double crop the cover crop and harvest it off as a silage crop, so that was sold to a nearby dairy. Participants in the field day had a good opportunity to learn what some of the goals are of cover cropping at Lucero Farms.
Applied to the tape.
So more water, but you've also put some on to help with the production of this.
Whether we were going to cover crop or not, we would have had to put sprinklers. We're in drought. We need to move our amendments in. So the only additional water is 1.5 to 2 inches, 48 hours per set. That's nothing. And we're gonna the soils are soft and wet right now. So I mean it's
so the sprinklers kind of bring three benefits to us. It's acclimating the soil amending. It's bringing up the summer weeds so we can get those knocked down, and it's also giving us a water profile to go ahead and seed the cover crop, and that'll carry us through with a couple of rain events that we've had. We haven't had too many rain events here at all, so through the tape we've only applied 48 hours, which is 2 inches.
Did you apply that for the cover crop?
Field day at Lucero Farms was a good opportunity for folks to see exactly how far they've come with the use of cover crops. There are lots of questions still to need to be sorted out and answered, however. What mixtures work best in the San Joaquin Valley in terms of the goals that they have? What are the actual functional benefits of these kinds of systems? What are the trade-offs in terms of money and economics that are going to be needed to be negotiated and decided? And also, what are the trade-offs with respect to water? So we look forward to having more information about these kinds of practices in upcoming field events and videos.